In this video, I'll show you exactly how we review a condo association's master insurance policy so we can find the coverage gaps that put the building at risk and the savings where the board is overpaying. We start with the current policy. This building carries $2 million in property coverage, but the actual replacement cost is closer to $3 million. So it's underinsured by $1 million. If there's a fire, the owners would have to cover that gap through a special assessment, and that's exactly what we want to prevent. Next, we check ordinance and law coverage, and this policy has none. For an older building, that's a real problem because current building code can make a rebuild far more expensive than the original. Then we look at the deductible, which was sitting at $25,000. We rebid the policy across 3 carriers, raised the coverages that actually mattered, and still brought the premium down by about $3,000 a year. By going line by line, we protect the association and lower the cost at the same time. If you're on a condo board or you know someone who is, and you want a management company that reviews your insurance this closely, reach out anytime.